So I found this really cool way of getting graphs from AI that I can use in my blog posts. So basically something like this, or it could be a flow chart, it could be a bar chart, whatever makes sense. So how I use this is I go to Claude.ai and I can use the free plan. Right now I'm using a professional plan. And basically I'm taking my blog post, I'm copying the whole text, and then I'm asking Claude to analyze this blog post and find 3 to 5 concepts that could be visualized. And I paste the blog post text and I'm waiting for what the Claude comes up with. Okay, so it gave me 4 options, and let's just say visualize the first one. And now it creates code, and once the code is ready, it visualizes it as a graph. And I can make changes here because the graph isn't perfect, or I can say visualize the second one instead. So let's see what it comes up with. So now the second graph for the second concept looks way better. And I think this is the one we can use now. So how to get it into your blog post is I can either download the file. It won't be an image file, but I can open it up and create the screenshot that I can download, or I can publish it, which is for me a bit quicker. I get the link to the published graph, I paste it into my browser tab, and it opens up like this. So here, yeah, I can just do a screenshot if you're on a Mac. So this is the way to do it, Shift Command 4. So Shift Command 4, and now I got it. And now I can use this and upload it to my blog post somewhere where it makes sense. Or I can also use the same image and put it to Canva, which is, wait, this is a wrong one. Okay, let's try again. So I'll take this screenshot, I'll paste it to Canva. And here Canva has this really cool AI features. One is grab text. So now it's trying to find all the places where there's text, and I found it. And I can then start changing all the fonts, all the colors. I can totally make it my own design. But I feel like this is so much easier than coming up with this on your own and starting from scratch. So this is just like one quick option how to optimize it in terms of how it looks like. But if you have published this, what Claude says an artifact, there's also this small button down here which says remix the artifact. So this is a really cool additional feature that you can use. So basically it takes this graph and tells Claude.ai to figure out more ways to make this graph better or the artifact better. Sometimes it starts by, it basically gives me 3 options. It could be in a circular layout, there could be added detailed subtasks, or an interactive version. I don't need an interactive version because I want to use this as an image file. So maybe use the second option. And let's say it in this prompt. Use the second option and let's see what it comes up with. Okay, and here it is. And I can also add more prompts to kind of fix the small mistakes that are here. For example, the green elements are kind of cut off, and I can say just that. The green elements are cut off on the borders. And let's hope that it can fix it without me having to give it more instructions. And it fixed the whole graph and it looks way nicer now. So basically, I think this is a way to really add value to your blog posts, and I think this is the way you can also get them to rank higher, even if you are using the help of AI. So let me know what you think about this, and see my other videos next. Bye!